Join me as I dive into the world of stocks and try to predict if INTC stock is about to explode. Can I figure it out before the market does? Intel stock, or INTC, has been a significant player in the tech industry for decades. The company has a rich history of innovation, from the development of the microprocessor to its current advancements in artificial intelligence and autonomous vehicles. As one of the largest and most well-established tech companies, Intel's stock performance can have a substantial impact on the overall market. Intel is currently facing some tough challenges in the market. The company is under intense pressure from competitors like AMD and Nvidia, which have been gaining traction in the semiconductor industry. Additionally, the rapid pace of technological advancements is forcing Intel to adapt quickly to stay relevant. The company is investing heavily in research and development, but it's unclear if these efforts will be enough to keep pace with its competitors. The semiconductor industry is highly competitive, and Intel is struggling to maintain its market share. The company's traditional stronghold on the CPU market is being threatened by AMD's resurgence, and its delayed entry into the GPU market has allowed Nvidia to establish a strong lead. Furthermore, the rise of cloud computing and the increasing demand for specialized chips are forcing Intel to rethink its business strategy. Intel's foundry business is also facing significant challenges. The company is struggling to keep up with the demand for advanced manufacturing processes, and its delayed transition to 10 nanometers technology has led to supply chain constraints. These challenges have significant implications for Intel's stock performance, as investors are increasingly focused on the company's ability to execute on its turnaround strategy. Despite these challenges, Intel has made some significant strides in recent years. The company has launched several new products, including its 11th Gen Core processors and its Z graphics processing units. Intel has also announced partnerships with major companies like Google and Amazon, which could help drive growth in its data center and cloud businesses. Intel's CEO, Pat Gelsinger, has been working to shift the company's strategy towards a more software-centric approach. This includes investing in areas like artificial intelligence, autonomous vehicles, and the Internet of Things. While these efforts are promising, it's unclear if they will be enough to drive significant growth in the near term. Recent product launches have been met with mixed reviews, and some analysts are questioning whether Intel can maintain its competitive edge. The company's data center business has been a bright spot, but it's facing increased competition from AMD and Nvidia. Intel's stock performance will likely depend on its ability to execute on its strategy and deliver growth in key areas. Some experts believe that Intel's stock is poised for a significant increase, citing the company's strong brand and its improving product lineup. However, others are more skeptical, pointing to the intense competition in the semiconductor industry and Intel's delayed progress on some of its key initiatives. The critical insight that could make or break Intel's stock is its ability to execute on its turnaround strategy. If the company can deliver on its promises and regain its competitive edge, its stock could potentially explode. However, if Intel continues to struggle with execution, its stock could be in for a rough ride. In terms of expert opinions, some analysts have expressed concerns about Intel's long-term prospects. They point to the company's high debt levels and its significant investments in research and development. However, others are more optimistic, citing Intel's strong track record of innovation and its improving product lineup. Based on current trends, it's clear that Intel's stock is at a crossroads. The company's historical significance and relevance in the tech industry are undeniable, but its current challenges and recent developments have created a high degree of uncertainty. To recap, we've discussed Intel's current challenges, recent developments, and the critical insights that could impact its stock performance. The company's stock has the potential to rise or fall based on its ability to execute on its strategy and deliver growth in key areas. So, what do you think about Intel's stock? Are you bullish or bearish on INTC? Let me know in the comments below. If you're interested in learning more about tech stocks, be sure to check out my other video on the top tech stocks to watch in the next quarter.